viewers, it's me Mukil again. Looks like today is an experiment day 2. I'll show you what is the experiment. Keep watching this video. Alright, welcome to my experiment lab. We are going to test light refraction. To do this experiment, we need a winking smiley and 2 arrows pointing to the same direction and a clear glass and some water. Alright, let's start the experiment. Put the winking smiley behind the glass. Look through the glass, nothing changed. Also try with the arrows. Look through the glass, nothing changed. Let's pour the water into the glass. The glass is filled with water. Let's try the winking smiley first. The eyes position changed. Now it is the same. Now it is not. Now let's try the arrows. Pretty cool, huh? Study time now. Let's understand what happened. The winking smiley's eyes position shifted and the arrow's direction shifted too. The light passes to the water. It refracts. It's time for you to do that at your house. As usual, please support and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching.